Hey, so this is our latest offering from Tactical Motor Gear, the Full Armor full-length rifle sleeve. We have this available in the standard full-length size for your 16-inch AR-15 platform, as well as the new XL series. The XL series has more room to accommodate your LPVO optics on your standard length rifle. Our new Full Armor rifle sleeve will better protect your 16-inch rifle in all types of weather from the stock to the muzzle, as we redesigned the boot of the sleeve. It is now water resistant for the full length, as well as a redesign in the boot to allow for more things like your foregrips and tack lights. Our Quick Armor remains the same with the exception of adding the XL version for your larger optics, and the Quick Armor remains the fastest rifle sleeve on the market for your full length or SBR rifle platforms on the RTP. If you want to protect most of your full length AR-15, including the important parts, and still want the fastest sleeve on the market, also go with the Quick Armor. Now, if you want full-length protection for your 16-inch rifle and are willing to sacrifice about 5 milliseconds of draw time, as well as a few seconds of putting it back, go with the Full Armor. So installing this rifle sleeve is a breeze, and the only tool you're going to need is a pair of scissors to open the package. In the package, you're either going to find the Full Armor full-length sleeve or the Quick Armor sleeve, as well as a smaller bag containing Velcro strips, stickers, an alcohol wipe, and instructions. Since you're watching the video, I'm going to assume you're going to throw out the instructions. Start by taking out the alcohol wipe and cleaning off the rifle mount plating that covers the upper just below where the charging handle rests. Find a good spot about even with the charging handle cut out, maybe 2 inches in, and apply the Velcro strip on both sides of the mount. I like to make sure that the hard Velcro portion is glued to the mount, leaving the soft Velcro strips getting stuck to the rifle sleeve later. Leave the soft Velcro strip attached as it comes out of the package, and go ahead and peel that backing away too. Remove your rifle from the mount if you haven't already, and go ahead and swap out your loaded mag for an empty mag, at least for the first time, so we don't go accidentally racking around and putting a hole in someone's driveway. Insert your empty mag into your rifle and ensure that the chamber is empty. Pull the rifle sleeve from the packaging and unfold it and unzip the sleeve. For the Quick Armor sleeve, unzip it all the way, and for the Full Armor, unzip it to the zipper stop near the heat-resistant boot. Insert your rifle barrel down into the sleeve, allowing the pistol grip and the magazine to protrude through the magwell cutout of the rifle sleeve. For the Full Armor sleeve, pull the boot up slightly to expose the muzzle and insert the muzzle into the carrying cup of the rifle mount. For the Quick Armor, just insert the muzzle into the muzzle cup like normal. Place your rifle squarely into the mount, but allow the magwell cutout of the rifle sleeve to go over the metal sidewalls of the rifle mount. Don't press the rifle sleeve material into the exposed Velcro glue just yet. Close the pistol grip cover over the pistol grip, locking the rifle in place. At this point, adjust the material around your rifle and optic for the best fit, and then zip the rifle sleeve closed. Once you are satisfied with the fit around your rifle and your optics, and the sleeve is zipped closed, press the sides of the material into the exposed Velcro backing. For the Quick Armor, your install is complete. If you're running the Full Armor, pull the boot over the muzzle cup and close up the reusable zip tie, pulling it just tight enough to keep it from pulling the boot back over the muzzle cup. This allows you to quickly retrieve your rifle from the Full Armor sleeve without pulling the sleeve with the rifle. To deploy your rifle from the Full Armor or the Quick Armor sleeves, unlock the pistol grip, and with your gun hand, grab the top portion of the sleeve on the stock, and with your offhand, unzip the sleeve almost to the stop on the Full Armor, and all the way open on the Quick Armor. With your gun hand, simultaneously rock the sleeve forward as you retrieve your rifle backwards with your offhand. With practice, this becomes a 2-second draw. And just like getting a new level 3 security holster, you don't dare hit the streets without lots of practice. Do the same with your new rifle sleeve. When it's time to clean your bike, simply unlock the pistol grip and undo both sides of the Velcro to remove your rifle and sleeve for washing the bike. On the Full Armor, you have the added step of loosening the reusable zip tie to pull the boot off of the muzzle cap. That's about it. Ride safe and train often.